Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Harshit Kumar. Today we are going to solve our LeetCode problem 295. Find number with even number of digits. This is a simple problem, but it will teach us an important skill that how to work with digits of a number. Let's understand the problem and solve it step by step. So we are given an array of integers. Our task is to count how many numbers contain an even number of digits. So here, if we look at the example one, it says that it have number 12 which have two digits, number 345 which have three digits, then 2 which have one digit, then 6 which have one digit, and 7896 which have four digits. Only 12 and 7896 have an even number of digits. Therefore, the answer is 2. Now let's think about the logic. To solve this problem, we will need to know that how many digits a number contains. How we can count a digit. Let's take a number like 345. When we will divide it by 10 repetitively, it will give us 0 at the end. The number will, such as 345, when divided by 10, it will give us 34. When 34 will be divided by 3, which it will be divided by 10, it will give us 3. When 3 will be divided by 10, it will give us 0. So the number becomes 0 after 3 division. This means it have 3 digits. So our plan is for every number, count its digit, then check if the number is even. If yes, increase our answer. So let's start the coding part. So first, let's create a variable that will store our final answer, int count, which will be equal to 0. Then after that, now we will traverse on the array. So for int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size, then I plus plus. For every number, store it in a temporary variable like int num is equal to nums I. Now let's count its digit. So int digits is equals to 0. Now we will keep dividing the number until it will become 0. While num greater than 0, we will increase the digits by 1 and we will divide the number by 10. Now by this we will get the number of digits. Now we have to check whether whether the digits that we are getting is an even number of digits. So if digits modulus 2 is equals to 0, that means it's an even number of digits and we will increase the count by 1. Now in the final answer we will return the count. Now let's test whether it's a true or not. So here is a syntax error which we will correct it and we will test it again. So as you can see that the test results are correct. Now let's submit the answer. So as you can see that the answer is correct and it has been accepted. So here the time complexity would be O n into D, where D is the number of digits and the space complexity would be O1 because we are using only a few number of variables. The problem teacher teaches us how to process digits of a number using division and modular operator. If you enjoyed the explanation, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next problem. Thank you.